First, pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then, we'll cook a 1 cup of ground beef on a cooking pan, set to a medium heat. We'll make sure all meat is browned well and cooked. We will then add 1 small diced onion and saute the onion until it's translucent. Then we will add 1 clove of minced garlic until aromatic. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. We will continue mixing to properly cook evenly. After that, we will add 3 cups of rice. It is best if it's left over, not hot nor warm. And we'll also make sure there are no lumps of rice. You can try to break it with your spatula. Again, we'll mix it until sauce is evenly incorporated with the rice. We'll add 1/4 cup diced carrots and 1/4 cup cabbage diced, as well as diced spring onion. We'll continue stir frying until vegetables are cooked. Then we'll plate it. And garnish with onion leaves or anything you want to pair it with. For me, I add my homemade beef wonton. Serve hot and enjoy. This is a taste test time. So yummy. I'll try another one. So stop eating. There you go, our beef fried rice, otherwise known beef Chaofan. Thank you for watching.